Hello everyone, welcome to Derivative Market. Today we are going to discuss a new type of candle, that is the hammer. Hammer candle is somewhat similar to doji candle, which we have studied it in the earlier class. We can think of a hammer. Hammer has a long handle, right? Similarly, in this hammer candlestick, there is a long lower shadow, but there is no or little upper shadow. In this figure, we can see that there are two candles. One is a bullish candle, bullish hammer. In bullish hammer, the closing point and the high point are similar. And we can also see another figure, that is a bearish candle, that is a bearish hammer. In this scenario, the high point and the open point are similar. So we can say that the high point will be similar to closing point or opening point depending upon the bearish candle or bullish candle. We can treat a hammer as a doji also. This is because a hammer and a doji shows same significance, that is trend reversal. A doji candlestick with a higher or a comparatively bigger body can be treated as a hammer candlestick. This is the explanation of a hammer. A hammer candlestick is a price pattern in a candlestick charting that indicates a potential trend reversal. It is a bullish pattern that suggests that the stock has hit the bottom and is set to reverse its trend. This is exactly the same thing that I have explained via pictures. These are some of the significance of a hammer pattern. 1. A hammer has a long lower wick. The lower wick or shadow should be at least twice the length of the candlestick body. This indicates significant selling pressure. Second, small real body. The real body should be relatively small compared to the lower wick. The real body represents open and close prices. Third, little or no upper shadow. The hammer candlestick has little or no upper shadow, which has been described in the pic. Fourth, easy to identify. The hammer candlestick has a simple structure that is easy to spot on chart, similar like doji candlestick. Here is a pictorial representation of the effect of the hammer candlestick in a downward trend. Similar to doji, a hammer candlestick also signifies a reversal trend. Here in the downward trend, the hammer candlestick has formed, thereby indicating that it has reached the ultimate stage of the downward trend, thereby indicating a reversal. So therefore it is better to wait when a hammer candlestick is formed and buy above the hammer candlestick, thereby giving some uptrend and some profit in the market. This is a pictorial representation of hammer candlestick pattern. Here we can see that the entry level is above the hammer candlestick pattern. So this is the level at which we get a buying opportunity and we can capture the entire reversal of the chart. We can also keep a stop loss at the bottom of the wick if our trend is not in our direction. So this is all about hammer candlestick pattern. I think you have understood the concept of hammer candlestick pattern. If you like this section, then please like, comment and subscribe our channel. And also please do follow on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Thank you. Have a great day.